friends, this is John Clonts with the Nikki B Group and Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Arizona Properties. Today I'm flying solo at an open house. You might remember this property. It's the 2-bedroom, 2-bath that went under contract on the first day it was on the market. And now I can hear you asking yourself, why is John holding an open house at a property that's under contract? I can give you the answer in 2 words: backup offer. Our Arizona contract provides the buyer several opportunities to cancel a contract. So in order to protect our seller, we provide them with every effort to market the property fully and secure a completely negotiated backup offer. This includes putting out signs in 100-degree heat, printing flyers, posting on Zillow, Realtor.com, Facebook, because you never know who might walk through that front door. If you have any questions about Arizona property, or maybe you're considering making the move here, I hope you'll give me a call on my cell phone, 847-312-2274. I look forward to hearing from you.